Good evening, ito yung ating presentation of our system that is and this is an smoke and fire alarm system. That's why we have a match there to test. So the system, it's quite a simple, it's easy to install because it will be powered by a single 2 output power bank. It must have 2 output because the 5 volts 2 ampere output should be connected to the GSM using this cable and the Arduino Uno. Okay, in here it can be connected to this USB cable also, but for now I connected my Arduino to the desktop so that I can code it. I can upload a code on it, but you can also, if after uploading, successful upload and testing, you can use this connector towards this 5 volts 1 ampere hole for of the power bank. So for now, the system is something like a SMS notification system with an interactive device. Interactive means it can be commanded by a SMS, and it also notifies you via SMS. So it's like talking to an artificial intelligence that is your device. So technically, the program is, the system is something like a fire alarm or a smoke sensor and flame sensor. So this is set up this way. We have a total of 2 smoke sensors and 2 flame sensors. So we have this flame sensor 1, smoke sensor 1, smoke sensor 2, it's actually a smoke sensor, and a flame sensor 2. So here in my code, or in our testing code, smoke sensor 1 and flame sensor 1 is supposedly located inside the living room, and the that's for as an example, and smoke sensor 2 and flame sensor 2 is supposedly located inside the bedroom, as for example only. But here we place it this way. This is my example. I strategically place it inside the living room, and this two is placed inside bedrooms. So we can test the system via SMS commands, and before that we'll have to upload the code into or inside towards the whatever into the Arduino. So what we will do is this, the code that I will upload. It's quite a long code, so it starts from here, okay, down to, okay, after some time it will reach the bottom here. So it's quite a long code, but it's worth it, so I'll just please upload. So after uploading it, okay, we wait. Now it's done. So after uploading it to Arduino, what the system will does is it will check the signal, check the balance of the SIM card. We have a SIM card here on its GSM, and if it's already ready, if the system is ready, it will text our admin number, or this cell phone has the admin number, or this cell phone is now the one that can control the system, and this cell phone or this number is the one that the system texts, or what number does the system text. So if the system is ready, it will text you this. We'll turn off the flash. It will text you this message. Okay, it says system is ready, so we cannot see it. Let me make it clear. So it will say system is ready, so meaning the system is now ready to take commands, or the system is now ready to notify us in case of flame and smoke. But initially, the sensors are not activated. Sensors can be activated and deactivated via SMS commands. Let's check. Initially, they are not activated. So if you want to try it, let's try having this flame sensor 1. Let's have a flame here. Okay. Let's I'll just do it in my right hand. Okay. So you can see it's not reacting to the flame. It's because it's not active. The sensors are not activated yet. So For that, before we activate it via SMS command, let's have the different commands that the that the device can handle. So first is that the system is registered to AstigText30 because this is using TM. There's also another promo for that's good for devices, like it's a cheap and long-lasting unlimited texting. So it doesn't need call or data because it's just use its SMS function. So if you want to check the remaining time for the AstigText30, remember you can also use another SIM card, and we have different way of checking balance, but I know how to edit it for other SIM card. But for now, we'll just have an example for TM. You just text the device with the code checkbal. Okay, what the checkbal does, it will text the 8888 Astig text 30 bal. It will ask for the duration or the remaining duration of the unlimited texting. So let's wait for that. So what the system really does, it will text the 8888, wait for the reply, and forward the reply to this administration cell phone. So let's wait for the reply from the system. Okay, here it is. After some time of waiting. So, salamat sa pag-register sa Astig Text 30. Matatapos ang inyong 5 araw na unlimited texting 2017 January 27. So, that would be on Saturday, if I'm not mistaken. On Friday, if I'm not mistaken. So, that's checkbal. If you have no balance, it will also tell you that you are now having zero balance or something like that. Okay. So, let's have this reply. If you have now no balance and you want to register it, so you do not need to take out this SIM card and place it to your cell phone and register it, place a load for it. The system is an interactive one, so you just place load to the SIM card. Okay, you buy load to the SIM card, and if you want to register it, you just text register only. It's a code that will let the system register to an unlimited texting. So here I chose Astig Text 30. So if you have placed load to the device 30 pesos or more, and you text register only, and your device is not unlimited yet or not inside a promo yet, it will register the SIM card, that SIM card of the device, to Astig Text 30. So let's wait. So just text the code register only, and the device will be the one to register itself. Let's wait for the confirmation if it's already registered. But today I'm already registered to an unlimited texting, so we expect a different response. Okay, so here it is. Sorry, ikaw ay kasalukuyan pa. So this happens if you're already inside a promo. Tapos okay, hintayin lang mag-expire ang iyong registration, o okay, there's a continuation. Ito para makapag-register ulit to stop text TM off, send to Easyelectronyx. Okay, you can just tap it down. Okay. I'm still inside the register. So another function of the device is to activate the sensor. If you want to activate the sensor, so we saw earlier that it's not active yet. So you just text sensor activate, if I'm not mistaken. The keyword is sensor activate. So what does sensor activate does? It will activate your sensor. Now the sensors are active, it can now sense flame and smoke, and will buzz or will alarm first, and will text us, notify us via SMS. Okay, so actually if you text sensor activate, the system will now notify you if the sensors are already activated. Okay. So let's wait for that reply. There it is. It will tell you smoke and flame sensors activated. Now if they are activated, let's try to test again the sensors. This one, I'll try this flame sensor one. Okay. So, okay, you can see that it will now buzz, and after that, it will text us. Okay. Flame detected on flame sensor 1 located inside the living room. So, I turned off the flames, that's why now it will not text us anymore. It will recheck again. After rechecking it has no flame, it will not text another one. But if the flame still exists, it will continuously text us and continuously buzz. Let's now check the smoke sensor on the smoke sensor 1. So, okay. So I think, don't know what sense it, maybe the flame or the smoke, because flame sensors are also sensitive. Okay, so before the smoke sensor has sensed it, the flame sensor detected it first. So what we need to do is to let this flame sensor face the other way. Okay, it's a very sensitive sensor to flame, so it's good. It's sensitive to flame. It's a good sensor, that means. I just made it face the other way around so that it will not disrupt if we check this for smoke sensor first. Okay. Okay, so I have the smoke, and let's wait for the confirmation. So it will now have a buzzer, an alarm, and then it will send us a message. So this is the problem for, okay, it detected again. So smoke. Okay. You see, if the smoke is continuously sensed by the sensor, it will text us continuously. Smoke detected on second living room. Okay, it detect the smoke was detected 3 times. Okay, because it, when you say smoke sensor, the smoke will be retained inside the sensor, and after the next loop it will still sense some smoke. It will tell us again, and then another loop it will sense some smoke and it will tell us again. So I will not be giving an example for the sensor 2 of smoke sensor 2 and flame sensor 2. They are just the same. So if you want to deactivate the sensors, you can also do that. Just texting option reply sensor deactivate. Sensor deactivate obviously will now deactivate our sensors. Okay. So sensor deactivates obviously will now deactivate the sensor, so whatever you do, it will not do anything. So sensor activate and deactivate is very good if you are to register unlimited to the device before you activate it again. Okay. Smoke and flame sensors deactivated. By the way, if you forgot all these commands, so you just text help. Okay. So if you text help, the keyword help will actually tell the device to send us the different SMS commands that we can use. Okay. So we have the check ball, register unlist, sensor activate, sensor deactivate, and help. So thank you very much for listening. Good night.